Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you my review of the Medicinal Garden Kit, an amazing product that turns your home into a true medicinal garden. I'm going to tell you everything, so let's get started. The Medicinal Garden Kit is a complete solution for growing your own medicinal herbs at home. It includes medicinal plant seeds, high-quality soil, growing containers, and a detailed guide to help even beginners achieve success. It's an incredible way to become more self-sufficient and have access to natural ingredients for a healthier life. Here's my first alert. It's vital to purchase the Medicinal Garden Kit from the official website. This ensures that you're acquiring the genuine product, with all the manufacturer's guarantees and support. There are many imitations out there, so avoid disappointments and buy from the right place. Now, let's talk about the effectiveness of the Medicinal Garden Kit. I can attest that it works. I've cultivated a variety of medicinal herbs, such as lavender, chamomile, and mint, and I was impressed by the quality and potency of these plants. They can be used for teas, home remedies, and much more. The benefits of this kit are numerous. You'll save money in the long run because you won't need to buy expensive herbs at the store. Additionally, having a medicinal garden at home is a great way to avoid chemicals and pesticides, making your herbs even healthier. Plus, it's a relaxing and therapeutic hobby. The Medicinal Garden Kit is recommended for anyone interested in medicinal plants and natural health. If you're looking for a way to enhance your health and well-being holistically, this is the ideal product. The best part is the 365-day guarantee. This means you can try the Medicinal Garden Kit risk-free. If for any reason you're not satisfied, simply contact customer support and get a full refund. It's a worry-free investment. To conclude, if you want access to high-quality medicinal herbs at home, the Medicinal Garden Kit is the perfect solution. I wholeheartedly recommend it. And to purchase it safely, just use the link in the description below. Don't miss the opportunity to take care of your health in a natural and cost-effective way. I hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you soon.